Friends, welcome to lecture number 7 of electricity physics. Today topic is heating effect of electric current student. There are so many examples of heating effect of electric current in our day-to-day life. We have do different works. We have to do different works with the help of some electric appliances like electric heater, geyser, oven, and electric press, etc. These are the example of heating effect of electric current. Students, by and large, we can say that there are three main effect of electric current which are mentioned here. Effects of electric current: number one, heating effect of electric current; number two, chemical effect of electric current. Often we study in chemistry when chemical reactions takes place in case of electrolysis or electrolyte. And third is magnetic effect of electric current. I think we will study in next chapter, which is based on magnetic effect of electric current. And there are so many operators, so many devices are there like electric motors, generators, etc. So these works on the basis of magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, so there are three main effect we can say of electric current. So here we will try to understand what is meant by heating effect of electric current. So students, heating effect, we can say that when an electric current is passed through a high resistance wire. High resistance means some wires, some metals already have high resistance like nichrome. Like nichrome is one of them. So when an electric current is passed through a high resistance wire like nichrome wire, the resistance wire becomes very hot and produce heat. So this is called heating effect of electric current. And students, this is a general way in which we can say if we have a wire or conductor having high resistance, and if there is flow of current, then wire with high resistance become hot and produce heat. Then we can say that this is a heating effect of electric current. But if we want to talk about what is the cause of this effect, so in short, we can say that drift motion or drift velocity of free electrons in conductor are responsible for heating effect of electric current. So in coming class you will study about drift velocity, but in short here you should understand that if any metal wire has high resistance, then we will get heating effect certainly. So students, this can be, and the region drift motion, DRIFT, drift motion, or you can say drift velocity of free electrons causes heating effect. In case of conductor, free electrons are moving at random direction and free electrons collides each other. Due to collision, heat evolve, and we can say that the drift motion of electrons or drift velocity of electrons is responsible for heating effect of electric current. Okay students, in this topic we will discuss Joule's law of heating, and which is important question. So please write down this. So students, here we have a circuit showing voltmeter, ammeter and battery V volts. Current I is flowing through resistor R. So in this circuit we want to express expression for heat energy produced, and you know that Q is equal to Q charge and charge is equal to I into T. We will use this expression for to find expression for heat energy produced. So first we draw a circuit, then we should write that let current I be flowing through a resistor R and V is the potential difference here. Thus work done for flow of charge Q. चार्ज फ्लो करेगा, वर्क डन होगा. एंड यू नो we have already told you in previous videos that in that case work done is always equal to potential difference into charge flown. So W is equal to V into Q. But students, we know that Q is equal to I into T. I means current, T means time. So we here put the value of Q, then we will get W is equal to V into I into T. Or finally we can say work done is equal to V into I into T. Write down. Now by Ohm's law, we know that V is equal to I into R. So we can put work done is equal to V into I into T. So students, here we can put the value of V here. So we can get W is equal to V means I into R from here Ohm's law into I into T. So students, we can write here I square into R into T. So this is the other expression for work done when electric current, electric resistance and time is given. Okay students? हाँ, तो students, here work done is equal to I square RT. This work done is nothing but energy consumed. You know, work done is base equal to energy consumed, and here energy is converted as a heat produced. Therefore we can write work done as heat produced is equal to I square RT, and H is equal to I square RT is also known as Joule's law of heating. Students, you can define with the help of book, and here we can say that heat produced during heating effect of electric current is directly proportional to the square of electric current and directly proportional to the resistance, similarly directly proportional to the time taken. Students, this is the Joule's law of heating. With the help of this formula we can solve some numericals from your book. So be ready and take a screenshot or write down some points. So students, as you know, Joule's law of heating is over, and now there are applications of heating effect of electric current. There are so many applications, but in your book few applications are given. I hope you will study, you will read applications. One of them are, as you know, we use electric plus in our homes. Similarly, we use electric bulb, electric press and electric bulb. In both, wire is used. As you know, tungsten wire is used in case of electric bulbs. Because tungsten wire has high melting point and high resistivity. So when current flows, then wire start glowing, and due to this glowing we get light. Similarly, heating effect of electric current works in electric iron. So I hope you will study what is the reason behind this, and this is the video number 7. And in next video we will have only numericals, and I will tell you different numericals. Till then, write down important points and take screenshots and subscribe this channel to get updated and new videos, and comment or ask if you have any problem. And I hope you will solve numericals from NCERT as well as Yes Chand book. Till then, okay students, thanks.